Understanding, dragging your feet, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common English idiom, dragging your feet. This phrase is used frequently in both professional and casual conversations. Understanding it will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to drag your feet. Dragging your feet refers to the act of delaying or being slow to act or make a decision. It's often used to describe someone who is reluctant to move forward or to express hesitation. This idiom paints a vivid picture of a person literally dragging their feet on the ground, moving slowly because they are either undecided, reluctant, or unwilling to proceed quickly. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, the project manager is dragging his feet on approving the new design, which is causing delays. In personal decisions, I've been dragging my feet on making a decision about moving to a new city. In relationships, he's been dragging his feet on making a commitment. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applying to various situations where there is a delay or hesitation to take action. English is rich with idioms that convey similar meanings to dragging your feet. Here are a few: sitting on the fence, being undecided between two options; beating around the bush, avoiding the main topic, not speaking directly; taking one's time, doing something slowly, without hurrying. Understanding these phrases will enrich your English communication and help you express nuances in different situations. While it's normal to experience hesitation, here are a few tips to overcome it. Set clear goals. Knowing what you want helps reduce indecision. Break tasks into smaller steps. This makes daunting tasks more manageable. Seek advice. Sometimes, talking to someone can help clarify your thoughts. Applying these strategies can help you become more decisive and avoid the pitfalls of dragging your feet. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning of dragging your feet and how you can use this idiom in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and colorful way to express your thoughts and emotions in English. Don't hesitate to incorporate them into your language learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing and never stop learning.